If you ain't training, you ain't gaining. If you ain't banging, you ain't hanging.
That's probably one of the cringiest videos ever to be put by a company's CEO. But more so, it's the level of cringe that's fun to watch and entertaining. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most popular energy drinks that hit the market since Red Bull and Monster, and it is Bang Energy. Now Bang isn't technically the owner of Bang Energy drinks. They're actually owned by a parent company called Vital Pharmaceuticals. That's kinda shady because being a pharmaceutical company and owning an energy drink, which are pretty blatantly not the best for people to consume. Although Vital has been in the market since 1993 and Bang was introduced in 2012. So what did Vital Pharmaceutical do for those 19 years? They were selling another completely separate drink under the name of VPX called Redline, mostly in vitamin shops. Bang Energy has defined a new subcategory of energy drinks. This subcategory is called Performance Category of Energy Drinks, and it happens to be the fastest growing subcategory of the $11 billion US energy drink market. As VPX Bang is growing at an exorbitant rate, and it's happening for quite a bit of time for VPX Bang, and it's finally got to a point where some of the major players of energy drink market are not only paying attention to this, but also coming out with their own defensive product moves to combat exact VPX Bang products. For example, Rockstar putting their X-Durance and then Monster Energy launching Rain. Other players in the energy drink market are growing from single to double-digit numbers, and then you have VPX Bang that is growing around 400%, and the major players in the market are wondering what's going on with VPX Bang. How are they getting so much traction, market penetration, sales velocity? Surely the credit goes to Jack Owack and his cringiest videos. If you ain't bangin', you ain't hangin'. It really comes down to the marketing. It's not an uncommon tactic. It's been going on probably since the beginning of time, but using marketing influencers, using athletes. Nike does this whenever they sell their product. They use top athletes because you're a fan of those athletes. You're more inclined because you're a fan and you support that athlete to buy their products. Bang Energy is doing the same by focusing on social media influencers. Their goal is use Instagram stars and influencers who have 100 to 1000 million followers, and they'll rep the product. Bang Energy has been very active on their YouTube channel and posted about 141 videos till now, which covers about their new products and also videos of their influencers. And yes, it does have the Jack Owack videos too. Bang Energy is the only energy drink to be listed on the high spenders on YouTube. This has helped them reach a larger share of audience. Bang Energy is also venturing into new markets, that is esports. They're targeting Twitch streamers too. As esports has a huge fan following, they surely don't want to miss this opportunity. Although they just entered, it won't take long for them to make their mark in the esports market. The Supercar Expo is an indoor high-energy exposition dedicated to passionate supercar enthusiasts. Dealers and supercar owners will have their cars on display for this one-day event. As mentioned earlier, Bang Energy is aiming at esports as a potential market. They host a bunch of events, games, and other promotional activities for the consumers. The Convenience U Car Wax Show is an event where hundreds of exhibitors gather to display the latest and most innovative products and services available to the Canadian market. This is the event to attend to discover new products, profit from exclusive show deals, and learn new business strategies. This was the first time where Bang Energy was introduced in the Canadian market. As energy drink market is being fragmented into subcategories, performance energy drink market being one of the fragments, as consumers look for products that are more associated or more in line with what they're looking for, Bang Energy is providing them with a bunch of flavors to choose from. The train from Bang Energy is not stopping anytime soon. They have a lot of momentum going their way as they're edging closer and closer to Monster Energy.